Hello everybody, I am Sarah Lariosa and I am a second year student taking up Bachelor in Elementary Education major in Science and Health. I was assigned to make a video tutorial about Microsoft Excel. It's all about saving. There are so many ways on saving a document of an Excel. It can be done using the mouse or by a keyboard. So, let's try it on guys. So first, find the Microsoft Excel in the search bar of your computer. So this is our search bar. And we will find the Microsoft Excel software. There, you can see the software. After that, click the right click of your mouse. Then, click the pin to taskbar for easy access of this software. So, next, let's go to our desktop. As you can see, the Microsoft Excel is in the taskbar. So we will click it and open it. So we will do an activity to have some example of our work. So we will make some changes in here. We will input some words like IT fundamental students. For example, we will make it bold. Change its font style into Arial. Apply some color. We'll color it red. Then I will put some names. For example, so after finishing the activity, if you want to save it, you will go find the file button. Remember the file button. You will find it. You will find it in the upper left portion of your worksheet. So this is the file button. Click on it, then you will choose either the save or the save as button. So I will choose the save as button since it is a new document. So I will rename it into Apat. Then I will click the save button. So our activity or worksheet has been saved. So we will edit some things here or add some names like and me. So after finishing the editing, if you want to save it again, you'll find the saved button on the upper left portion also. So this is the saved button. So our worksheet has been saved successfully. If you want to prove it, no, to prove it, we will find the worksheet that we've been made. So this is our worksheet. So it is clearly seen that it is been successfully saved. So also we can save a document using our keyboard. So we will edit here. We will add some names. More and so after editing, just click the Ctrl plus S to save your document. So we will click it. So it is being successfully saved. So we will prove it. So this is our worksheet, stock document that we've been made. So here, as you can see, our worksheet is successfully saved. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you have learned something from me. So once again, I am Sarah Lariosa. So thank you guys. Love you.